We are on the way to Tonglu, standing at 2,600 meters, and we are having a magnificent view of Khanchendzonga ranges, which is third highest in the world.
Yeah, carrying on further, we had a magnificent view of Khanchendzonga range in between. Now to Tonglu it might take another 1 hour or so, and from there we'll have the entire Khanchendzonga ranges. Yeah, the trekking trail is well marked, well paved. Actually it was some ancient trade route, so horses and ponies, etc. used to be used for trading. There's not a motorable road though. Finally made it to the top. This is Tonglu. From here we'll descend down, and here we'll take some break and have some lunch, Maggie, whatever. You see behind, this is the magnificent view which I was talking about of the Khanchendzonga range. We are sitting at the top of Tonglu. This is the viewpoint.
We are enjoying the view of Khanchendzonga range.
And that is just behind us.